Hello guys, I just got my Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I think this is 2021, and I just want to see how it's gonna hold up. In 2021. If you should still buy in 2021 or not. And by the way, this is my YouTube channel. This is my first video. You can support me by subscribing. It will go a long way for me in encouraging me to do more videos. Anyway, this is the tablet. Let's put it aside. One adapter, charging cable. See here, the S Pen is here. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. It's a pin. Let's put it aside and let's see what is inside the tablet. Let me quickly switch it on. I think the tablet is beautiful. It's very sleek, very beautiful. I think has slim bezels, everything. Well, looking at this is so gorgeous, man. This is great. Without looking inside, I think you should just go get one. I think so, because I've seen so many positive reviews on YouTube, so I decided to get this for myself. But it's coming very late, but you can still get it in 2021. It's still relevant in this year. So since I think the Tab S8 is not out yet, I think you can go get this. You won't be making a mistake if you get this tablet. I bet you. It's not a mistake. You won't make any mistake. I'll get right into business later on. I will see how usable this thing is in 2021, and I'll provide you my review, my long-term review, and if you should go for it or not. But I think you should go for this tablet. It's beautiful. I swear it's beautiful. It's very sleek. Wow. Let's turn it on and see what is inside. Okay, it's turned on. Display is awesome, man. I'm loving this already. I'm loving it already. Well, guys, stay tuned, please. Kindly subscribe. Okay, this is my first video, and I'm gonna be reviewing this tablet. I think this is pretty all for now. Till we meet next time. Thank you.